In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pair Razer Hammerhead through wireless X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pair these specific set of earbuds with any Bluetooth-enabled device. This can be a PC, a console, or even a mobile device, which is the usual use for most people. So all that you have to do to set these up is to first make sure that they are sufficiently charged. If you are using them for the first time, put them inside of the case, close down the lid, and you will be able to use the provided USB-C to USB-A cable to charge it. Just plug it into a suitable power source, and there will be some sort of LED indicator for when they are sufficiently charged. Once you notice that they are sufficiently charged, even up to 100%, then I recommend starting from here, but you can do it earlier even if you let them charge for only a couple of minutes. Now, all that you have to do is open the lid a little bit. You don't have to take them out of the actual case. Just leave them in and immediately they will go into pairing mode. So you will be able to see some sort of LED indicator, and if you go over to any Bluetooth compatible device and it is enabled, you will see them listed under the available devices. This can be a PC, a console, or even a smartphone, which is the primary use case. So all that you have to do is select the Razer Hammerhead through wireless X from the list. Immediately upon doing so, they will remain connected. All of the audio being transmitted to the device will go over to the earpods instead. If you press 3 times in a row and you hold the last tap for 2 seconds, then you will be able to set them to gaming mode, which has lower latency overall, meaning that you will be able to get a better and more competitive experience while gaming. So press and hold on the last tab for 2 seconds. If you put them inside of the case and you close down the lid, they will automatically power off, so you don't have to worry about wasting battery. I hope I was able to help you on how to pair Razer Hammerhead through wireless X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.